Okay, so this is the honeysuckle we have grown up a trellis on our drive, and it just needs a bit of tidying up really. It's got some new shoots on it, so for example the new shoots, you can quite clearly see the new shoots. They've got, you know, they're quite new looking leaves, and but there's some older stuff on it which needs to come off. So there's some stuff there which needs to just be snipped off, another bit here that needs to be snipped off. I'm just trying to tidy it up really for the start of the year, where any shoots has got old flowers on can be nipped off back to where the new shoot is coming. So there's a new shoot going to come there, so I'm just going to nip it off there just to try to take it back. I think the other idea is really I'm trying to shape the plant as well. A lot of the growth is at the top end of the plant, and I'm trying to encourage it so that we get more growth in the middle part. We'll never get it to grow completely from the base of the plant again, but certainly from the top end of the plant where we're going to get the flowers, it just needs these last year's bits taken off to tidy it up for this year by taking off these longer bits there. So although there are some new shoots coming along this bit, I don't like the length of it, so I'm still going to cut it back to one of the newest shoots here, just so we can have a better shape. I've probably finished doing the honeysuckle. I've brought it down so it's in height, so it's not growing anymore in the guttering up above, and hopefully that the flowers are going to be more in this area above the shrubs that we've got lower down. I've tried to take all of the older bits off, which I don't think are going to be much use, but I suspect, like this one here, for the next day or two I'm still going to find some bits and pieces I might have missed, but it, you know, it's just a little thing to keep on top of over the next couple of days or so.